Hello, welcome back for another amazing video, and welcome back to our channel All Things With Us. If you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always supporting us. So in today's video, we are going to be using this bucket to make this decorating mirror, so stay tuned. So as you can see on the screen, I have the bucket, I have the normal belt, and I also have the mirror to use in this DIY. So stay tuned, watch the video till the end to fully understand what I'm doing in this video, and maybe you will get an idea on what you will do to your space when you want to decorate. So I'm starting off by marking the part that I want from the bucket. Then after marking, I'm going to cut out this ring, because this is the only part of the bucket that I'll be using for this DIY today. So I'm simply marking and cutting out the ring to use in this DIY. After cutting out both rings, this is the design that I'm going for, and then after that I'm simply going to start joining the parts for this DIY. So stay tuned, watch till the end so that you don't miss out on any step. And if you like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos. Like our videos, comment on them, tell us what you think, share, yeah, and we'll be very grateful. Here, as you can see on the screen, I'm just masking my mirror so that when I spray paint the frame, I will not be spraying the mirror because the paint will not come off easily. So I'm making my work easier by masking the mirror. I also did use this white paper to cover the back of the mirror and also did spray it. After nailing the belt to the frame using caulkers, I used thinner to clean up the mirror, and then after that, this is the final reveal. So like this video, comment, tell me what you think before you see the final reveal, and thank you for always supporting us, and stay tuned for more videos like this and more.